You're formatting money and your code prints 50 cents, half a euro shown as one decimal? That's not just ugly. It breaks financial UIs and confuses users. Declares a constant named amount and assigns it the numeric value 0.5. Creates an international number format instance configured to format currency for the NGB locale using euro as the currency, without specifying decimal place requirements. Then formats the previously declared amount variable and logs the result. Creates an international number format instance configured similarly, but explicitly enforces minimum 2 decimal places via the minimumFractionDigits option before formatting and logging the same amount value. Declares a constant named testAmounts containing an array of 3 floating point values, 0.5, 1.0, and 3.4. Iterates over the testAmounts array, creating a fresh international number format instance, each iteration configured for NGB locale and euro currency, without decimal constraints, formats each element individually, and logs the result directly. Iterates over the same testAmounts array, again instantiating international number format anew for each element, but this time with minimumFractionDigits set to 2, formats and logs each entry ensuring at least 2 decimal places. Always use minimumFractionDigits when formatting money. Never trust default decimal handling. Subscribe for daily coding videos.